Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change X username. Your username is different and unrelated to your profile name on Twitter. It's the part that appears after the @ and doesn't contain any symbols. There are no rules here. You can add spaces, for instance. You can write something fun or use your real name and change it for special events or tell people you're on holiday. Now, we'll tell you how to change your username on Twitter. Log into Twitter. Select the account for which you want to change your Twitter handle or username and log in. To get to this page, you need to click on the More button in the left-hand column above the Tweet button. Click on Settings and Privacy. Tap your account. Click on Account Information. Here, you'll find all the information about your Twitter account. Your current username, the association phone number, the email address, and when you created your Twitter account. To get to this part, Twitter will ask you for your password. This stops anyone from getting in without your consent and changing your password, username, etc. Now, enter your new Twitter username. Write out the new Twitter username that you want for your profile. If you're not convinced, Twitter will suggest various recommendations related to your current name. In any case, if you choose one already in use, the platform will inform that it's already taken. And last, click on Save. If you've already chosen your new username, click on Save, and your username will now be updated. Now that you have a new handle, do you think this will affect your account at all? First thing first, don't worry about it. You won't lose any content or followers if you change your username. Twitter won't penalize you for it either. However, be careful. If you constantly make changes in a short space of time, Twitter may think you are a bot and delete your account. Twitter will keep your current followers, but it's worth letting your community know so that they aren't surprised when they see a new username. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.